Hey Dad here. I'm going to make a household cleaner that my wife and I have used for 6 years, 2 kids. It neutralizes urine and it evaporates well, and it's inexpensive, and it's homemade, and it's natural. Natural, of course, doesn't mean anything really. This is awesome for kids, pee mistakes on wooden floors, uh, get a little pee on a carpet, and this will totally fix it up, or a blanket. And we use it all the time. We have one in the bathroom and one downstairs. It also works on counters and stoves. I think the alcohol acts as an evaporant, evaporator, evaporation, evaporant. It evaporates, I think. All this uses is white vinegar from our local supermarket, 91% isopropyl alcohol. All right, so this is very easy to make. All we do is put about 20% of the 91% isopropyl alcohol in vinegar. These spray bottles are small, but I just found them, and they're really good because they're made for the alcohol. You could use a plant sprayer, but some of them fail quickly because of the, I think, acidity of the vinegar or the alcohol. So these seem to be great, and we can put them all over the house and write cleaner on them. So all you do is take this off, which can be a little hard. Because this is alcohol, I think they make it hard for kids to take this off, so you got to kind of crank it. Once it's off, I've already poured some of this vinegar out into another container, so there's about, I think, about 20% left. It doesn't really matter. And then you pour all of this into there. Then you mix it, then you mix it, and pour it back. And that's all you really do. Now you've got a great sprayer. Should make my coffee taste good. Really strong little sprayer. And again, you write cleaner on here. And I've tried putting in scents like lemongrass, essential oils, and it helps a little bit to not make the house smell like pickles, but the kids actually like it. They go, pickles! I've kind of stepped away from trying to scent it, but you can try peppermint, or some people put a little soap in, but I've just stepped back to about 20% alcohol, 80% white vinegar. All right, stay clean out there.